Did Ken leave already?
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on! Yes!
It's not gonna work.
It might. You don't know. You never know. What if a spark just lands in the exact right spot?
You should have let a bottle rocket off. Oh, you did let a bottle rocket off.
I did.
Go light another one.
You know what?
Go
I'm
light a
gonna
cup.
wait.
Oh, yeah.
Because there's a bunch of explosives in there, and I really don't know if that's gonna... Ooh! Ow! You broke the glass.
Oh, shit!
Oh, no!
Stop that we're on deck.
Go stomp out the one. Oh.
Oh, that was a...
Is it done?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. We broke the glass.
Oh, Tori says you should empty it, and then you should let us make a giant snow fort.